In the silence of the sky, a decision is made. Far below, something moves, and the eagle has already seen it. From high above, it watches, calculating, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Then suddenly, everything changes. Wings fold, the body tightens, and gravity takes control. What begins as a glide becomes a rapid descent, a controlled fall of incredible precision and power. The eagle cuts through the air with astonishing speed, its body perfectly aligned with its target. Wind roars past as the ground rises rapidly to meet it. If you're enjoying this journey into the wild, subscribe and stay with us, because the most powerful moments are still ahead. As the distance closes, the eagle adjusts with perfect control. Every movement is calculated. Every second matters. Its wings shift slightly, its focus sharpens, its talons prepare. In the final moments, time seems to slow. Distance, timing, precision, all come together in one decisive action. And then, impact. A powerful strike that ends the chase in an instant. With its prey secured, the eagle rises once more into the sky.